Yeah, good morning everybody. I'm at my farm and I have a big problem for the last 1 week. I have been trying to struggle with this problem. The problem is I have this A-frame cabin here right behind me, and there is no toilet facility here. So I have fixed a toilet about 50 meters away. The septic tank is about 50 meters away. Why I did that is because on the river side there is always a problem of having a septic tank. So I'm keeping the ecological balance intact, and that's for this reason I'm here. You can see here behind me I just put up a temporary toilet for my benefits, for my personal reasons, because I come here and I don't have a toilet. Okay, so, and here this line light goes right up to the septic tank. We have to make at least 2, 3, 4 chambers because the pipe quality also 4 kg is not so good. They should be asked for certificate before they being employed. As you can see, this pipes 6 meters pipe, and when you purchase these pipes, they look to be okay. 4 kilo pipes costing around between 1200 to 1400. But once you bring them here and you just fit them, you find bands in the pipe. So anybody, when he's purchasing this kind of pipes for plumbing purpose, ensure that you check the pipes before being, otherwise the level will be difficult. The water will remain in the bend and there won't be a proper slope for the water to rush into the septic tank. See how many support structures I have to do here to keep the pipe straight. The quality of the pipe is very bad. In the heat of the sun, they also tend to bend. Soak pit. This is soak pit. This soak pit, and it's fine. So at last we have a pipeline that is working so far. So we are covering up with the mud and making sure that the support remains intact, the lever remains intact, and it is functional. So we are going to try after some time whether it works. एक काम करूया, अगरबत्ती जाय म्हाका. So you can see here we're going to test water flow from the toilet. हाँ दोनों पाइप में डालने को बोलो. हाँ वो
ये भी पाइप में डाले.
ये आया नहीं ना.
ये छोटा पाइप में नहीं डाला देख रहे.
बड़ा में डाल रहा हूँ, छोटा में डालो ना.
अक्का आता बंद बुट्टी तो कौन बा.
ये बुट्टी इधर है ना.
किधर.
क्या?
हाँ बैठ बैठ तो कौन. मैंने देखा ना बुट्टी. हाँ इन देखा ना कौन बुट्टी कौन आता.
So here we are testing the final, actually the first one there. Jason chamber is going to come at this level. So Mohan, as I was speaking, he is here with the incense sticks. So here we are going to light some incense
एक
sticks.
कार्ड और मारो ना फट से. अभी खाली डालने पड़ेगा 2-3.
जे काम करता बरे बसता होते तुमच्या काढतो आणि तो जे करता तें सगळे व्यवस्थित फुडें सगळे व्यवस्थित जावचें आनी ताका बरें आयुश्य दिवचें आनी हें हांव सांगता हातराचें बरें जावचें.
Ram Purush Prasanna Ram Temple.
त्यातून आरती करची आनी तो हांगाच आसतलो आनी तेजें बरें करता.
I'll show you where I am, and this is where the river is, and this is how thing looks. This is all because of this